Hi, baddies. I see another bad bitches in the room. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell by today's title, we are doing a two bang ponytail. I'm actually going to be doing a bob ponytail, but I needed a cute little style for about a week, honey. So I'm going to show you guys how I did my two bang ponytail. So what I'm doing now is I'm just splitting my hair in the middle for my bangs. I just added a little edge wax to help my part come out a little bit better. So I'm just making the part for my two bangs right now. After I've separated my bangs, I'm just going to add some water to my hair to soften up my hair because we are going to be blow drying our hair. Now, I want a very nice sleek look, or as slick as I can get it. So I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections. And then I'm going to add a clip. Then I am going to take this hairdressing that I got, this random hairdressing that I got from the beauty supply store. It's supposed to condition, add shine, and heat protecting and all that good stuff. So I just put that on my section, and then I fingered to tangle my hair, and then I took my hair dryer and I blow dried each section. I did each section this way, made sure I got it as blow dried as possible or to my desired blowout. So if you want that nice sleek look, I would recommend you using a blow dryer. If you are natural, of course, if you want the sleek look, you're going to have to blow dry your hair or straighten your hair of some sort. So that's what I am doing, and I will continue to do that throughout the next clips, and then I will come back for the next step. So now that I have blow dried everything, I'm going to take my Murray's beeswax, the black kind. I'm just going to put that on the first portion of my hair because I'm going to separate my hair into two sections so it's easier to gather. So the front section that I have, I'm just going to put that beeswax everywhere. I'm going to take my good old spritz and I'm going to brush all of that up into a ponytail. If you are natural, you want to avoid water-based products, i.e. gel, so you can maintain that sleek look. So that's why I'm just using the edge wax in spritz, because if you use anything other than that, such as gel, eco styler, your hair will curl up, your hair will be wavy. So I recommend to use, like I said, an edge wax and then a firming spray such as spritz, got to be glued, and the TIGI bed head firming spray that I'm using right now as well. Brush my hair into a ponytail, and then you're of course going to put your elastic band, your scrunchie around the first section to secure your hair. And then in the next clip, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to take that edge wax again, which is the Murray's beeswax in the black jar. I recommend if you have black or dark hair, use the black jar. If you have colored hair, then the clear beeswax would be your best solution, because this wax, it has color in it and the color can stay if you don't brush it out. So I just recommend using that for darker hair. Again, I'm just going to put my hair up in that ponytail using that edge wax, go over with spritz and the bed head spray, brush it up into the first section of my hair to create that nice ponytail. What I'm doing now is I'm taking a piece of braiding hair and I'm going to braid my hair with this hair to create that extended ponytail, to be able to wrap that ponytail around. I'm going to seal it off with a rubber band. I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut off the excess. I'm using the Model Gardenia Master Mix in 1B. I think that was a 14-inch. And I'm just going to take the tracks with a bobby pin, insert the bobby pin, and wrap everything around that braid. You just want to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. I know some people use the glue method where you put glue on the tracks to secure it, and I've seen some bobby pin methods. I per se like the bobby pin method, so I stick that initial bobby pin in it before I start wrapping, and I go ahead and wrap it all the way up to the top. So now I am taking some spritz. I'm going to take a piece of hair from the last track that's going to wrap around my ponytail. I sprayed spritz on it, and I went ahead and wrapped it around so it can be secure. You also can use glue. I usually put glue on that last little loop, and I go ahead and set it. But I use spritz this time. You can also secure it with a needle and thread, or you can secure it with a bobby pin, whichever works for you. I went in the back portion of the ponytail, grabbed a piece of hair, and now I am hiding the tracks. I'm going to take the bed head and the spritz, and each time I wrap it around, I'm going to spray those sprays and wrap that hair around to create that invisible, band for my ponytail. So now I'm going to comb my ponytail out. Everything is secure, so it is not going anywhere. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my scissors and I am just going to cut straight across. I have grabbed the hair, figured out my desired length, and I am going to go ahead and cut straight across. You want to do this with some hair shears. Don't be like me and using regular kitchen supplied scissors. Use some hair shears, sis. And then I'm just going to clean up all of the miscuts or bokeh cuts and make everything even. Again, you want to do this with hair shears because we probably could have avoided all of this. So again, I'm just evening it up as much as I can. Evening everything up, making sure everything is cute, making sure everything is secure. Then we're going to move on and we're going to work on our bang portion. Now, what I'm doing is just flat ironing my hair. You can literally stop at this step if your hair is thick enough, if your hair is long enough. But for me, I wanted my hair to come all the way down to my chin. So I took some extra hair, extra tracks from the bundle, measured out the parting in my two bangs, took some bonding glue or hair glue, as you can see in this clip, taking that hair glue, and then I'm going to place it on the part. I'm going to place that track on that part, and I'm going to do this again. I'm only going to do 2 extra tracks per side of the bang. So again, I made another part, made sure that this track will fit, so measuring that track, then I glued it on my head, and I did the exact same thing to the other side. I would also recommend putting the glue halfway on your scalp and halfway on your hair, but do not put it all on your hair. Put it to your scalp as much as you can so you can avoid ripping out your hair. You can avoid that glue being all on your hair, sis. Okay, again, I'm gonna do that one more time, and after I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and fix my parts the way I like it so it can be even. And I'm going to comb all that through. I'm going to take my flat iron and blend, and that's literally the last steps of this process. To cut my bangs a little bit, so I cut my bangs just a little bit, went back over the bangs after I got done cutting, went back over with the flat iron just to blend it, and literally, y'all, this is the last step. I'm so glad at how it came out. It was super cute. This is a clip with my makeup done because I definitely forgot to do an outro. This is from my previous video that I just posted, so make sure you go watch that. And this is how everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.